see motherfuckers beat you out everything you get. But it seems like everybody trying to make some type of come up quick before it's too late to get straight and the most I make its final pick. Anyway, it ain't shit like riding slick with a thick chick slobbing your dick. Even if it means fight these niggas in cases, as long as neither one stick. Cause I swear when I get hit, I go on a crucial rage like a flick. Turn straight lunatic, making all these bitch niggas say they final tick. But that don't mean my mind's sick. Just cause I'm motivated by a lot of cheese with trees by the peas and fucking 5 B's and 3s with ease. For sure, the skilled poets willing to mask up and kill for it. A whoop of fiend with a crushed pill, I bet his dumb ass still blow it. Bullshit ain't nothing. I'm trying to get this first meal in the bank and drive a bulletproof Hummer tank so the next haters who try to air me out come up blank. And I'ma have to sacrifice your life with a rap that's stronger than Christ. And forces of life that's known to do damage to human eyesight. I guess it's true, money's the root of all evil. Cause crooked or legal is all manipulated by the eagle. And be my motive for murder.
I know you to judge your life and death ain't evil or nothing. But somebody done brought me pain and sorrow. So I'ma have to kill something. Let me count out ways that I can repent. Trying to stay holy and focused. But the evil in his eye, let me know that nigga too bogus. That be my motive for murder.
Somebody streets another day. I know the pain of my heart won't go away. This motherfucker tryna murder me, and with nobody from family, you ask why he gotta die.
Lord knows I was hurt, told the judge from the start. I'm a high love for this mom. This nigga made my homie die in my arms. Had to put a slug in his heart. Motherfuck that stud. It was just a grudge on his part. My boy was young and ambitious, took his dreams and wishes. Try to do right, but my attitude like blast them bitches. Drowning all my sorrows and bottles of yak and a quarter ounce of dro on the lap. About to snap. Here come the big payback. Look up on the dresser for the black and gray strap. I'm crying and shit. I was hurt so bad I felt I had to go kill him. Even if a slug hit him, I still was hurt enough to aim at myself and die with him. Can't control them pains. Now it's time to throw them things. Bitches that are stud on sight. Empty the clip and am I right? Ambulance come around by the time the hype's taking over sight. I know it sound cold, but it's would have put a hole in my soul. Never short his years though. He was only 17 years old. At the funeral, I gotta watch his mama tears roll. And I know it used to wow sometimes. Carry a 9, but you took away your sunshine. No more reminiscing on the fun times. Ballin' and coming at bitches with blunt lines. But this nigga ain't gonna run mine. For the pain, I'ma handle this funk and this mental, this gum. Fuck all that, and all black in the pump. To run up on this nigga, tip up on him, been dumb. Mission to kill, arm with a fist full of steel, eyes gleam with the fury. Never thought I'd be facing 2 murders in front of a prosecution team and the jury. How the one murder turn into 2? Revenge had me shooting through hate, I couldn't stop. In the midst of the action is when a little girl got shot. All because of my motive for
Lord, I
murder.
know you to judge your life and death ain't evil or nothing. But somebody done brought me pain and sorrow. So I'ma have to kill something. Let me count out ways that I can repent. Trying to stay holy and focused. But the evil in his eye, let me know that nigga too bogus. That be my motive for murder.
Somebody streets another day. I know the pain of my heart won't go away. This motherfucker tryna murder me, never want nobody from family. You ask why he gotta die.
Till a paddy wagon pull up and covers my pants sagging, I'm double cup. South side, hustle inside, hustle outside. I don't give a fuck, I might beam you up, you won't get it up. You won't shoot dice, we could do something. In the club with like 30 bands, going hard to like 2 something. Go live on them, hit vibes on them, niggas eyeballin', I'm fly on them. My little niggas on my corner, they rap too, they trap too. Pull up broad day, you know the raw way, with the raw play. Bap, bap, you, Lil Mocha said and D.R.C. Beto and Brian just called me. Uptown Bees and Lil Jeremy Nook and my brother Sprite, no talking. Bring apples out, pass by your house, December feeling like August. Pulling up on Murder Street, my uncle's clutching revolvers. Hear anything about Hollis Green, you play with that, I'm gon' off you. 20 years in, rap and got in the game, I'm hawking. Audemars, I'm ballin'. Bitch you love, I'm dogging. Last old lady took my feelings like Soulja Slim, no falling. She thinking she special, paid her, told her get to steppin', recorded. I ain't got shit to do but cook like I was from Virginia. These niggas lying in they rhymes, you could stop pretending. My pants sagging in this bitch, don't give a fuck who feel me. And if you disrespect me, nigga, you gon' have to kill me. Bitch, I'ma die about it, nigga, I'ma die about it. I'm from where niggas get it on, we don't cry about it. You say a nigga disrespect you, nigga, ride about it. I know some pussy niggas scared, probably hide about it. Faggot throwing water at the vet at my show. Catch him on the rebound, I won't see if he could catch what I throw. Look, 20 bands, 30 bands, 40 bands, 50 bands. Get him captured, get him splattered. All in traffic, about that action. Yes, up there, up there, up there. Did a shut up, give a fuck there. We'll come up there. Niggas from where I come up at, talk to up there, shoot the kill. Don't discuss that, done that. Fuck that, fuck that, fuck that. Breathe easy, this street sweeper go and delete people. Taking pictures all in front of my cars like a dick puller. I mean, meat beater. I met your mom, you had a good life. I fuck with your dog, I don't fuck with you. As soon as that nigga went to jail, you start doing shit that a buster do. You don't know how to keep it street. Reason why? You're not a street nigga. My uncle, mama, grandmother thuggin' grew up in the street. Real street nigga. Not a local rapper in your own city. Boy, you look disgusting. You look ugly, black, dirty, dusty, dingy, pockets empty. Mouth look like a place a toothbrush never enter. Young, get up! I ain't got shit to do but cook like I was from Virginia. These niggas lying in they rhymes, you could stop pretending. My pants sagging in this bitch, don't give a fuck who feel me. And if you disrespect me, nigga, you gon' have to kill me. Bitch, I'ma die about it, nigga, I'ma die about it. I'm from where niggas get it on, we don't cry about it. You say a nigga disrespect you, nigga, ride about it. I know some pussy niggas scared, probably high about it. Me and Stroke in the car by myself, you know, we in a black coupe thing, you heard me? Me and Stroke down there thugging by ourselves, you know, we just, yeah, all in that bitch retarded. You know, nigga ain't tell us nothing, you heard me? You know, every time I see the little bitch, you know, he don't move by himself. And I hold that entourage with you, you heard me? That's a sign of weakness. You know, a real Vic will sit back and look at niggas just that look like weakness, you know? I ain't taking no diss shots at no nigga, man. I'm just stating no facts, you hear me? Nigga ain't keep it street. I spoke about it. Nigga caught feelings like a bitch will do. You hear me? So I just know that what you do, a bitch, you just, yeah, look, go do what you want to. Use a renegade hoe. The worst thing you can give any nigga or a bitch is rejection. And the hoes love attention. You ain't got to have a pussy to be a hoe. A hoe is somebody that just want attention from another man. They got a lot of hoes with dicks out here. Right now, you know, me keep that thing all the way street. You know, I be listening to these niggas talk, man, you ain't gangster, you ain't gutter, you ain't grimy, you ain't shining, you ain't grinding. Look, I'm gonna leave that there what it is. Look, BWA, Kevin Gates for president, all the way retarded.
Baby, baby, baby. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepared a table for me in the presence of my
DJ Pretty Boy
you anoint
Boy.
my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Niggas in my faction don't like asking questions. Strictly gun testing, coke measuring, giving pleasure in the Benzito, hitting fannies, spending chips at Manny's. Hope you creeps got receipts. My peeps get dirty like cleats. Run up in your crib, wrap you in your polo sheets. 6 up in your wig piece, nigga deceased. Why? May you rest in peace with my sycamore style. More sicker than yours. 4-4 and 54 drawers. As my pilot stares my lair. Yes, my dear, shit's official. Only the feds I fear. Here's a tissue. Stop your blood clot crying. The kids, the dog, everybody dying. No lying. So don't you get suspicious. I'm big, dangerous, you're just a little vicious. As I lead my competition, respirator style. Climb the ladder to success, escalator style. Hold y'all, breath I told y'all. Death controls y'all, big don't fold y'all. I spit phrases that'll thrill you. You're nobody till somebody kills you. You're nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't wanna die, God tell
You're
me.
nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't wanna die, God tell me why.
Watch Casino, I'm the hip-hop version of Nicky Tarantino. Ask Nino, he know. Green with envy, the green tempts me to make the rich the enemy and take their cheese, take their spot, take their keys, make my faculty live happily ever after in laughter. Ha, never seen Cristal pour faster until the bastards, knucklehead squeeze lead. 3 of mine dead. Nothing left to do but tear they ass to shreds, leave them in bloodshed. Incidents like this, I take trips. Incidents like this, I take trips. Incidents like this, I take trips. Lay up in Miami with Tamika and Tammy. Some Creole, CO bitches I met on tour. Push a peach, legend coupe, gold teeth galore. Told me meet them in the future later. They'll take me shopping, buy me lavender and fuchsia gators. Introduce me to player haters and heavyweighters. Rich bitch shit, drinking Cristal till they piss the shit. Thorough bitches, adapt to any borough bitches. Be in spots where there were no bitches. You feel me? Reminisce on dead friends too. You're nobody till somebody kills you. You're nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't want that. God,
you're nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't want that. God,
you're nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't want that. God,
you're nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't want that. God, tell me why.
You could be the shit.
God, tell me why.
You could be the shit.
God, tell me why.
You could be the shit. Flash the fattest 5, have the biggest dick. But when your shell get hit, you ain't worth spit. Just a memory. Remember he used to push the champagne range. Silly cat or Suede in the rain. Suede put the G in game. Had the Gucci frame before Dana Dane. Thought he ran with pain. I can't recall his name. You mean that kid that nearly lost half his brain over 2 bricks of cocaine? Getting his dick sucked by crackhead Lorraine. A fucking shame. Dukes of Lane. What's his name? Dark skin Jermaine. See what I mean? You're nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't want that. God, tell me why.
Nobody till somebody kills you.
I don't want that. God, tell me why.
DJ Pretty Boy, know what they talking about. If you ain't with the movement, you can walk it out. 400 band, yeah, that's what they talking about. It's the band, these niggas chasing clouds. Flexing on the gram like you making moves. All I do is win, cause I hate to lose. My whole team eating, you just wasting food. You niggas ain't loyal, man, these niggas fool. These niggas ain't loyal, man, these niggas fool. Everybody out here for theyself, nigga. Motherfuckers will forget when you help niggas. All that fool shit, you really need to stop it. These niggas ain't getting money, they just monkey watching. You can count me in if money is the topic. Every day I'm padded like a fucking cockpit. I feel like my own niggas on some op shit. Dirt bag to these hoes, yeah, I got options. Ooh, we all this flavor on me. You would think I was a teacher, all this paper on me. Don't wink, don't look, don't even say what's up to me. Allergic to food, only real niggas fuck with me. I'm allergic to food, nigga. Allergic to food, only real niggas fuck with me. One word. Flu ass nigga. It's food season. Nigga better stay alert. Keep your eyes open and your ears listening. Calling on niggas, I'm in a different league. We are not the same, I am a different breed. All that sneak dissing don't mean shit to me. I'm the hottest unsigned artist, fuck who disagree. I put in work, use a no-show. Mr. Pocket Pool, you don't get no hoes. Fuck boy, homo, these niggas clowns, bozo. Uncle Ma keep me with the slow-mo. And I only smoke that gas, solo. Self-made, I be riding solo. I stay high cause I get it for the low. BKMG 400 band, that's the bro code. If she my ex, you can have niggas ain't loyal, man, these niggas fool.